Kuddalar.
Right?
Kayınagalar.
Yes.
Okay. Baldızlar.
Yes.
Okay. Kayınatalar.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, hi. My name's Ben. This is my wife.
Hi, I'm Mira.
We're going to talk to you today about some of the funny cultural differences in our Kazakh-American family. First off, Mira has like 100 relatives in her family, and I've got 5.
When we plan on visiting our relatives, I usually try to dress up elegantly and nice, but Ben, he just prefers to wear a t-shirt and jeans.
Because it's convenient. I've only worn this shirt twice this week. I don't think well, maybe there's a problem. Mira is really a meat lover. I love meat, especially bishbarmak and stuff like that, but sometimes I don't want meat. And when I ask Mira for a meal without meat, she brings me chicken, because chicken isn't meat.
Because chicken is not meat. Actually, did you buy kumis tonight?
I did. I got a great bottle that said Shubat. I think it's great kummus.
Yeah, I see, but it's not the same.
It's not the same thing? Kummus is not Shubat.
No, it's not.
I don't understand it.
No, it's not.
Also, Mira thinks I'm really messy for no reason at all.
But why I found this by your bed?
Those are clean. They didn't do anything to the floor.
I also think that sometimes Ben is too loud, especially when he's singing.
Did you just say singing?
Sağındım seni, sağındım derken kızgaldak dolu koktun diye. Sağındım yerken sazımın korken kantilda kazdar oktun diye.
We have a lot more in common than I thought we did.